Can we create two accounts with one number on Telegram? Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to find out if we can do that or not. So let's just dive right into the video. So for that, you can head over to your Telegram first and ensure that you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed. Once you are here, you can tap on your profile picture like this, the menu bar at the top left, and head over to the settings option. From here at the top right, you should be finding a three dot. You can tap on it and log out from here. When you do that, you should be finding different alternative options available. So when you head over to add another account option, here you need to enter up a country code and a phone number in order to access that Telegram account. So if you want to create your multiple Telegram account with the same phone number, unfortunately, we cannot do that from one number on Telegram. You can't create multiple Telegram accounts with the same phone number. You will be needing a separate phone number for each account, whether that's a physical number or a virtual one. So once you are here under this login page, you need to enter up the phone number, the new number you want to associate it with the new account. So go ahead and enter up the country that you belong from. Go ahead and enter up the phone number that you have. After that, tap on this arrow and Telegram will be sending a verification code to the new number. Enter the code to complete the verification process and you will be having different account in the same Telegram app. So you can head over to this steps and go ahead and switch up your account if you want. So for now, we cannot create two accounts with one number on Telegram, whereas you can add another account on Telegram for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.